Flat machine chest press. This is a good machine compound exercise to work the chest as well as the shoulder and tricep muscle. Sit on the machine with your back supported as shown in the video and hold the handle with both hands. Strengthening the hand, press the handle forward, hold for 1 second, then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position with control form. You can use heavy weight without any support and perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Incline dumbbell press. Target the upper chest muscle. You have to perform this by laying on an incline bench, holding the dumbbell above the chest, slowly lower the dumbbell toward the upper chest and then press the dumbbell upward with control form, then squeeze the upper chest muscle. Start this exercise with the light weight, then gradually increase the weight and do 3 sets of it and 8 to 12 repetitions. Decline dumbbell press. Target the lower part of the chest. The way you perform dumbbell press on an incline bench, with the same form you have to perform it on the decline bench. In this, hold the dumbbell till the level of the lower chest and press the dumbbell upward, hold it for 1 second and squeeze the lower chest muscle. Then slowly lower the dumbbell with control form to stretch the lower chest muscle. Follow 3 sets of this and 8 to 12 reps. Machine fly. In this, sit on the chest fly machine and hold the handle with both hands, bending the elbow of the hand and slowly bringing the handle to the fly position, then stretch the chest muscle, then bringing the handle forward together. Start this exercise with the light weight and do 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions and increase the weight after every set. Smith machine shoulder press. Target the deltoid and trapezius muscle. Sit on the bench of the Smith machine with back supported and hold the barbell of the machine at shoulder width. Press the barbell overhead and then lower it toward the upper chest. You should select such a weight in which you will fail in 10 to 12 repetitions. This is a very good exercise to strengthen the shoulder muscle. Perform 3 sets and 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell lateral raises. Isolate the side deltoid for broader shoulder. You can perform it with standing or sitting holding the dumbbell in both hands. Slightly bend the elbow of the hand and lift the dumbbell to the side till shoulder level. Then squeeze the lateral deltoid and with the control form bringing the dumbbell down to the starting position. 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions with proper form. Rope push down. Attach the rope cable to the machine and hold the end of the rope cable. Using a light weight, push the rope cable downward until your entire arm is straight and then slowly bringing the rope back to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of this and 8 to 15 repetitions and at the end do 1 drop set. Dumbbell overhead extension. Perform this with standing or sitting, holding one dumbbell with both hands according to your strength, keeping the dumbbell overhead, locking the elbow of your hand and slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head, then bringing the dumbbell up and perform it in the same way. If you want, you can also perform this exercise with one hand also and do 3 sets and 8 to 12 repetitions.